Total Preparation Jankipuram Lucknow welcomes you all to its online program.
Friends, in this video we would be discussing 100 one-liner current affairs for the period of 16th of May till 31st of May. Let's quickly begin. The central government has announced a change in which law to deregulate grains, pulses, oil seeds, onions and potatoes to eliminate their storage limit. The answer to this question is Essential Commodities Act 1955. How much amount has the World Bank announced to lend to India for social security during the corona pandemic? The answer is $1 billion, that is rupees 7,500 crores. How much loan has been given by the New Development Bank as an emergency assistance to India in order to fight the corona pandemic? The answer is $1 billion, that is rupees 7,500 crores. After all the criticism, which state has revoked the notification of amendment of Factory Act related to exemption of workers to work for 12 hours? The answer to this question is Uttar Pradesh. The head of which organization, Roberto Azevedo, recently announced his resignation from his post? The answer to this question is WTO, which is World Trade Organization. Which company has Facebook recently acquired in order to produce animated images, which are also called GIFs? The answer to this question is Jiffy. According to the UN's World Economic Situation and Prospects report, how much growth is expected in India's GDP in the year 2020? The expected growth would be 1.2%. Name the former RBI governor who is the head of the committee constituted by the Tamil Nadu government to bring the deteriorated economy due to COVID-19 back on track. The answer is Mr. C. Rangarajan. The central government has announced to increase the FDI limit in automatic manufacturing sector from 49% to what percentage? It is 74%. The Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman recently announced to allow commercial mining to private sector by auctioning how many coal blocks? The answer is 50. In which state did the central government announce to allocate the work of distribution of electricity to the private companies? The answer is Union Territories. The Finance Minister announced to allow private companies to participate in which activities of the space sector? It is satellite and rocket construction and launching, space travel and other planetary exploration, remote sensing. The central government announced the introduction of Atomic Research Reactor, which is Nuclear Research Reactor, through PPP in which sectors? The answer is health sector and agricultural sector. When is the International Day of Light celebrated? It is celebrated on 16th of May. Which country did the famous literator and Professor Anisuzzaman, who passed away on 14th May 2020, belong to? The answer is Bangladesh. When is the World Telecommunication Day, also known as World Telecommunication and Information Society Day, celebrated? The answer is it is celebrated on 17th of May. When is the World Family Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 15th of May. What is the name of the cyclone that occurred in the Bay of Bengal? It is known by the name of Amphan. The Union Health Minister of India, Dr. Harsh Vardhan, has been elected as the chairman of the executive board of which global organization? The answer is World Health Organization, also called WHO. Which program has been announced by the central government to start online education under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan? The answer is Prime Minister's eVidya program. When is the International Museum Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 18th of May. When is the World Hypertension Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 17th of May. Which country's famous comedian Jerry Stiller died on May 11th? America. Which body has been set up by the central government to encourage rice exports under the Agricultural and Processed Foods Export Promotion Development Authority? It is Rice Export Promotion Forum, also called REPF. According to the Indian Meteorological Department Director General Mrityunjay Mahapatra, in which year before the Amphan supercyclone were we hit by a similar supercyclone? The answer is it was in the year 1999. Name the first European country that has declared itself corona-free. The first European country that has declared itself corona-free is Slovenia. Which Chinese writer's book, Wuhan Diary Dispatches from a Quarantined City, has been released in India, which has all the details of the 60-day lockdown? The answer is Fang Fang. When is Sikkim State Foundation Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 16th of May. Which organization deployed the ICGS Conscious vessel? It was deployed by Indian Coast Guard. Which state government has recently decided to launch the Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyay scheme to encourage crop production in the state? The government of Chhattisgarh. The government of Haryana and Jammu Kashmir have announced to provide tap connection to all the houses under which central government scheme recently. They have announced the tap connection for all the houses under the scheme Water Life Mission. Who represented India during the 73rd session of the World Health Assembly? Dr. Harshvardhan. The railways commissioned the first 12,000 horsepower engine WAG-12 number 60027 at Madhepura Rail Engine Factory on 19th May 2020. What is India's position in the list of countries to do so? India holds 6th position. What parts of India have been shown by Nepal in its new map? The parts those have been shown by Nepal are Lipu Lake, Kalapani and Limpiadhura. The RBI has cancelled the licenses of how many non-banking financial companies for not following the rules? The RBI has cancelled licenses of 14 NBFCs. Ratnakar Matkari died on 17th May due to COVID-19. He was a famous playwright, literature, and director associated with which language? He was associated with Marathi. Which warship was included in the Indian Navy on 15th of May? Indian Naval Landing Craft Utility, INLCU L57 is the name of the warship. Who has been appointed as the Director General of National Real Estate Development Council? Mr. Rajesh Goyal. How many crore rupees have been approved by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh for Defence Testing Infrastructure Scheme DTIS? 400 crores. The landfall of supercyclone Amphan occurred on which island? It occurred on Sagar Island. Who has been elected as the chairman of the Executive Board of WHO from India? Dr. Harshvardhan. As per the World Bank estimates, how many crores of people in the world will be extremely poor due to COVID-19? 6 crores. How much financial aid has India provided to UNRWA, which is United Nations Relief and Works Agency, to help Palestinian refugees? It is $20 lakh, which is approximately rupees 15 crore 14 lakhs. Which Indian Vice Admiral has been honoured with the Alexander Dalrymple Award 2019? Mr. Vinay Badwar. Who is the author of the book Hop On, My Adventures on Boats, Trains and Planes, whose e-book was launched on his 86th birthday? Ruskin Bond. When is the World Bee Day celebrated? World Bee Day is celebrated on 20th of May. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Economist and Vice President of World Bank? Carmen Reinhardt. In which lake of Ladakh were there clashes between the Indian and the Chinese army? Pangong Tso Ladakh. Who has been appointed as the chairman of NABARD recently? Govinda Rajulu Chintala. When is the International Tea Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 21st of May. Name the two powerlifters who have been suspended by the National Anti-Doping Agency recently. Savita Kumari and Ankit Sisodia were suspended. When is the World Meteorology Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 20th of May. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Indian Steel Association? Mr. Dilip Oman. When is the World Biological Diversity Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 22nd of May. RBI governor has predicted GDP growth rate to be negative due to COVID-19. When was the first negative growth rate recorded in Indian history? It was recorded in the year 1979 when it was minus 5.238. RBI has reduced the repo rate to what percentage? Repo rate has been reduced to 4%. How long has the Reserve Bank of India extended the EMI waiver of loans, also called moratorium, for the second time? Till 31st of August. What is India's place among the countries producing the maximum number of PPE, which is personal protective equipment? India holds second position. Which country has announced its separation from the Open Skies Treaty, under which one country is allowed for air surveillance on the military of another country? America. How much amount has been announced by the Prime Minister as an aid for Super Cyclone Amphan affected Odisha? 500 crores has been announced. According to the data of the Ministry of Petroleum, the production of natural gas decreased from 2.65 billion cubic meters to what quantity in the month of April due to the lockdown? It is 2.16 billion cubic meters. According to the research journal Nature Climate Change, by what percentage has carbon emissions decreased worldwide due to lockdown? By 17%. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of the Chinese company TikTok? Kevin Mayer. From which date did the Ministry of Aviation announce the resumption of one-third domestic flights amidst lockdown? It was announced on 25th of May. A Pakistan International Airline plane crashed in a residential area near the airport of which city on 22nd of May? Karachi. Who has been entrusted the responsibility of climate change and disaster management in South Asia by the World Bank? Mr. Abhas Jha. Which commission has been set up by the Uttar Pradesh government to provide employment to migrant workers? Migration Commission has been set up. According to the European Space Agency's research, the magnetic field of the Earth has become weak at which place? It has become weak between Africa and South America continent. Which city did the comedian and Bollywood actor Mohit Baghel, who died on 23rd of May 2020, belong from? He belonged from Mathura. Which ministry has started the solarization of Konark city and Konark Sun Temple completely? Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has started the solarization of the temple and the city. Who will be awarded the UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? Jeanette Bedoya Lima. For the first time in the world, 2 astronauts were sent to an international space station by the spacecraft of which private company? They were sent by SpaceX. The United Kingdom has proposed to create which new club of democratic countries, including India, for 5G technology? D10, which is also called as Democratic 10. When is the World No Tobacco Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 31st of May. What is the name of the guidelines issued by the government from June 1st to June 30th after the end of the lockdown 4.0? It is known by Unlock 1. Yogesh Gaur, who died on 29th of May 2020, was associated with which profession? Yogesh Gaur was a lyricist. The largest locust attack in India in the last 30 years has come from which continent? It has originated from Africa. When is the Goa Foundation Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 30th of May. MP Virendra Kumar, who died on 29th of May, was a Rajya Sabha member from which state? From the state of Kerala. How many years has the World Athletics Doping Prevention Agency banned runner-up Kiranjit Kaur for failing in the dope test? She's been banned for 4 years. Which state has started the Employment Bridge Scheme? Madhya Pradesh has started the scheme. Which state has launched Mukhyamantri Swarojgar Yojana for migrants? It has been launched by Uttarakhand. How much amount of funds have been announced by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for the people affected by the storm? 6,250 crores have been announced. The central government has renamed the Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology as Central Institute of Petrochemicals Engineering and Technology under which ministry? It is under the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Which country broke all ties with the World Health Organization and described it as a puppet of China? United States of America. According to the data released by the central government, what was India's GDP growth rate in the fourth quarter for the financial year 2019-20? It was 3.1%. What was the GDP growth rate in the financial year 2019-20? The overall GDP growth rate was 4.2%. Name the former Prime Minister of Malaysia who was dismissed from his party Bersatu. The name of the former Prime Minister of Malaysia is Mahathir Mohamad, who was appointed the Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of IT company Wipro. It is Thierry Delaporte, who was elected the new President of the New Development Bank. Marcos Prado Trejo was elected as a new President of the New Development Bank. What is the name of the second squadron of indigenous aircraft Tejas that joined the Air Force on 27th of May 2020? The name of the second squadron is Flying Bullets. After Pangong Lake in Ladakh, in which valley did the Indian and Chinese army clash again? In the Galwan Valley. Which Indian scientist has received the Inventor of the Year award in America? Mr. Rajiv Joshi. Which famous author has written a children's book, The Ichabod, that has been released online for free? J.K. Rowling has written this book. What is the height of Mount Everest as reported by the survey team sent by China this year? It has been reported as 8,844.43 meters. So friends, with this we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for being with us. We have tried to include few more important questions this time, which would be really helpful for you from the point of view of upcoming competitive exams. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our video. In order to keep getting the updates on other current affairs related topics, please press the bell icon. Thank you.